My name is Hayden Miyamoto. I am the founder and CEO of Acquira.
My name is Doug Thorpe. I'm the Director of Integration and Leadership at Acquira.
We're currently in Fort Lauderdale, and we are doing an acquisition entrepreneur workshop for people who have gotten to a certain milestone in finding a business.
We are at this quarter's AE workshop. Today we're in Fort Lauderdale, Florida.
My name is Rich Coppage. I'm the Director of Transaction Advisory Services for Acquira, which basically means that I help AEs go from the post letter of intent phase all the way through to the close of the actual acquisition.
Hi, my name is Mize, and I'm from Philadelphia.
My name is Harold Poston, and I am from Northern Virginia, outside of Washington, D.C.
I'm hoping to learn more about kind of the specifics of putting together a deal, $1 million plus EBITDA range, through the Acquira workshop, specifically in the home services industry.
What I'm hoping to gain from the workshop is just some lessons learned and tips and tricks that others have used to acquire businesses.
The Acquira team is meeting with AEs to help them understand the full, I guess you could call it pipeline process of what it means to acquire a business and have a successful transition.
Everything involving the deal search and diligence and some of the structure and closing. We're going to cover everything involving integration, gross. We're going to do a case study, a tale of two different deals that were very similar but had different acquisition entrepreneurs and how they progressed.
My name is Alan Thomas, and I am from Atlanta, Georgia. I thought the workshop was great. It was extremely informative. It was a lot of information, and it was really great to be able to interact with everyone, discuss deals that we had looked at, what we might be looking for.
My name is Alejandra Barrera. Everybody calls me Ale, and I'm an M&A account manager. What can discard a possible business acquisition, then going into due diligence, what you can expect from due diligence, and from due diligence, if it passes due diligence, to get to closing, and then to closing, the transition and integration of that business.
Just to give them a perspective on how we look at deals, how they should look at deals, kind of some of the considerations that they really need to focus on when actually acquiring a business and post-acquisition.
My name is Todd Neely from Houston, Texas. It's been extremely insightful. Learned a lot of good ideas, things that I haven't even thought about in regards to just even evaluating the opportunity on the front end, and then today, so far, just talking about some of the integration and what it's like to take a company to be truly management-led. Very excited about it.
Hi, my name is Asfal Couture, and I'm from Denver, Colorado. The workshop has been great. I came here not knowing anything about the acquisition world and never acquired a business before. And I'm learning a ton of things from the Acquira team and the other acquisition entrepreneurs that came.
Well, my name is Alfonso Moncada, and I am from Miami. I think this workshop is extremely insightful. It brings a lot of value and perspective to people that are looking to get into the entrepreneurial world. I think this workshop and project overall brings a lot of value to people.
I think it's very important because it allows Acquira to have a relationship with the AEs going forward. I think a lot of AEs get exposure to topics and up-to-date topics that it might be more difficult to do just sort of on your computer. And they get to, use us as a resource and ask us questions, like very specific questions to their own deals.
My goal is to be able to buy and then grow with not just financially, but also
to some degree, socially and personally.
Let's acquire a business that I can create a lasting legacy for my family.
Someone joins the Acquira network as an acquiring entrepreneur, we prepare them with a lot of training, coaching, and support to help them through the journey of becoming a successful entrepreneur. And this workshop is one other form of opportunity we give our AE clients to come together as a group, take advantage of some kind of peer-to-peer exchange, ask questions of the Acquira team, share experiences with each other, and really expand their understanding of the whole journey.
I love Acquira's training and programs. This actually isn't the first training program I've looked at. I looked into several, have actually joined other masterminds. This one's the best though.
Well, we would hope that they would understand that the acquisition process, while being daunting, can actually be simplified and done in a systematic way, and also to understand kind of what the systematic processes for running an operation might look like post-acquisition.
I've recently joined Acquira and diving into the training platform, and meeting the Acquira team here has been a wonderful experience. They care, they want to help.
I think the AEs can expect to learn a more realistic view of what's coming, and to maybe lower or heighten their expectations. They'll know that a lot of work is coming, and if they're still on board, then they will proceed and do that business acquisition.
The training is extremely thorough. I had done an acquisition prior to Acquira that had some challenges, and all the things that I've learned here just would have proved to have been invaluable if I would have known those before. So it's been a great process so far.
So I think that's something that's unique and not as common in kind of this world of acquisition.
I think Acquira's training and program has been really great for me. They lay out some very clear lesson plans, and they also provide some very valuable templates that get you to think about how to evaluate opportunities as you're looking at them, how to view businesses, how to look at demographics and population growth to make good decisions overall. I think that's allowed me to quickly evaluate and decide which companies would be best to pursue or not.
I think what they put together here, it's kind of a mini master's in business administration, but with a lot more value because it's targeted to what you really need to have to make this happen.
My hope is that they will have confidence in pursuing a deal and closing a deal. One statistic I always open the workshop with, which is true, is that when we do one of these workshops, within 6 months, typically half the people who attended will have closed on a business. So I hope that to continue to be true, and I hope people to forge relationships with other acquisition entrepreneurs that'll last years to come.
And I hope everybody will come away with a deeper understanding of the real challenge it may be to be an entrepreneur by acquisition, but also know that there's plenty of support, there's plenty of experience they can draw on to help them be successful.